Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we have discussed how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. If you have not followed the installation, you can check out the link in the description box. Today we are diving into the basic commands of Kali Linux. Now I am opening my VM VirtualBox. Here are my VMs. I am going to use my Kali Linux. So I am clicking on it, Kali. So now I am going to start Kali. Here it will take some time based upon your computer speed. My Kali is running. Here you can observe the terminal in the taskbar. Just click on the terminal. Yeah, now my terminal get opened. Here now we are currently logged in as user account. To change from user account to root account, just type the command sudo space su and hit enter. Now here it is asking for the password. Enter your password and hit enter. Now you have changed your user account from user account to root account. So let us discuss our top 10 Linux commands in Kali Linux. Our first command is uname. Uname is basically called as Unix name, which is available in all Linux distributions. Uname and hit enter. It displays the system information. If you want a detailed information about the system, type uname -a and hit enter. Here you can observe the information. It shows the kernel name Linux and its version, and it also displays the kernel release and its version, hardware as x86-64, and the processor type also. And our next command is who am I. Type who am I command and hit enter. Here it is showing that root, because we are currently logged into as a root account. It will print the username of the currently logged in user. And our next command is pwd, means print working directory. Type pwd and hit enter. Here it is showing that path as home and Kali. Print working directory means it outputs the path of your current working directory where you are in. And our next command is ls command. Ls is nothing but list of all file folders and directories. If you give ls command and hit enter, you can see all the folders which are available in your current path, like desktop, documents and downloads. You can see all the folders which are available in your current path. And if you want to know more about these folders, just give the command called ls space -l, and here it will display all the detailed information about your folders, including permissions and number of links and the size and when it is modified. You can see all the, here it will display all the information detail. And to know the hidden files, just give the command called ls space -a and hit enter. Here you can see all the hidden files. Here I am using the clear command to remove all my previous results. Now I have cleared all my previous results. And our next command is cd, change directory. Here we are in path home and Kali. Now I am changing my path to downloads. Yeah, you can verify it by giving pwd present working directory. Now it will print our present path. And our next command is copy command. Copy command is used to copy the files and directories from one file to another file. For this copy, I am creating two files by using touch command. Here I am creating a file called a.txt and I am opening a.txt with the GNU editor by using a nano command. Here I am entering some lines and saving my file. Now you can see what are the you can observe the output. Now I'm using copy command to copy the values which are in the a.txt into b.txt. For that I'm creating another file using touch command. Now I have created another file and now I am copying a.txt into b.txt. Yeah, now you can observe whatever the values we have in a.txt will be copied into b.txt. Yeah, here is the output. And our next command is remove command. Now I have created two text files a.txt and b.txt. To remove those files, just enter rm space b.txt and hit enter. Now you can observe that b.txt file has been removed. You can see by giving ls command and hit enter. Now you can observe that b.txt has been removed. And if you want to remove a.txt also, type rm space a.txt and hit enter. And you can observe by giving ls command. Now you can observe we don't have a.txt file. So you can use rm command to remove or delete the files and directories. And here I am using clear command to remove all my previous results. Now our next command is make directory, mkdir. Make directory is used to create directories. Now here I am creating a directory called A and hit enter. You can observe it by giving ls command. Here A directory has been included in our path. Similarly, you can create a multiple directories by giving mkdir space b space c. Now you can create two directories at a time, and you can observe by giving ls command. Type rmdir and space a. Now you can observe the directory A has been removed. Similarly, you can also remove the multiple directories by giving rmdir space b space c, and you can observe it by using ls command. You can see that we have created abc directories and we have removed abc directories by using mkdir and rmdir. Now we are going to discuss our head command. Head command is used to display the beginning or the first few lines in a file. For this, I am creating file using touch command. And I am opening it through nano command in editor. Here I am giving some more values. And save this file. Here I am giving head command space a.txt. Here it will print the defaultly values which are available in the top order. If we want a specified number of lines, we can also specify it by using -n command and specify here the number with number of lines whichever you want, and give the file name and hit enter. Here I have specified number 5, so here it is printing first 5 lines. Similarly, our next command is tail command. Enter tail space a.txt and hit enter. Here you can observe that it is defaultly printing the last digits means tail. Here it is showing the last 10 digits. Similarly, like head, you can also specify for the tail command to print the last lines. Give tail -n and specify the number and file name. You can observe the last 5 digits, 5 lines it has been printed. These are the most basic commands to have a hands-on knowledge in Kali Linux.